Hey, sorry about the audio.
Sorry about the audio.
Elijah, guess where we're at? We're at the farm. Is it gonna be fun today? Yes or no? No? Maybe we can change your mind? We'll see. Alright, let's roll. Don't put your head too close, buddy. Say hi. Is it cool? Yeah? Where do you want to go? Which way? Alright, let's go. Look at the big castle.
It's a pirate ship. We'll find the pirate ship. Yeah, go.
You need help getting in? You gonna fill it up with rocks? Whoa. So Elijah, you just filling up your truck with rocks? Into that truck? Wow, good job. Elijah, you driving? You like pumpkins?
Yes.
Yes. Which one's your favorite? Woo. That one.
So we can open the one up, right?
Hmm?
We can cut the one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Open it.
Open it? No, we can't open it.
Oh, doctor.
It's not ours.
Oh.
Alright, let's go find Mommy. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Hey.